One-of-a-kind spectacular lakefront property with amazing views from nearly every room in the house with expansive porches, pool, and elevator. No detail was overlooked nor expense spared during the construction of this one-of-a-kind home by DreamBuilt in 2018. Highlights include open floor plan with custom-designed built-in cabinets and fireplace in the large great room open to the dining room and kitchen. Master on the main level with spectacular views, luxurious master bathroom with separate sitting area and porch. The great room has a beautiful fireplace with access to porch, open kitchen and dining area. This 6-bedroom and 7 full bathroom property has many luxurious features. This gorgeous home outdoor features are lap pool, max dock, expansive porches on upper and lower levels of the home, screened porch on main level, open kitchen and dining area. Kitchen offers beautiful lake views with state-of-the-art appliances and a large walk-in pantry. Laundry room on all 3 levels. 3-car garage. The home has ADA accommodating features. The new home buyer will enjoy